So this is our Christmas tree. It's a lot thinner than my old Christmas tree, but we did live in a bigger house compared to this one. So when me and my mom tried to put up the old Christmas tree, it was a big problem. That's when me and my mom were like, you know what? Today's the day to get this skinny pencil looking Christmas tree. But it works for the house. It's really cute. We just need to find a small Christmas tree skirt. So if anyone knows where we can find any small Christmas tree skirts, comment them down below because we need suggestions. I love my iPad. It's my favorite thing in the world. Like this video if you want to see a video on the iPad 6, kind of like a review type of unboxing situation. Even though it's already unboxed, you get the point. I love R&B / soul music, so if you're looking for a new artist to listen to, or if you like R&B soul, definitely recommend Sabrina Claudio, Alina Baraz, and her 2:15. And I'm getting ready because my mom wants to meet up for lunch. Since my face is a little bit dry, I'm gonna use this no makeup foundation. This is by Perricone MD. This is a really good foundation. It is really expensive, but a little bit goes a long way. And I always just run it through my hands and then apply it to the areas of my face and blend it in. It literally looks like I have nothing on, but I mean, it's okay. I don't really wear a lot of makeup anyway. Then I'm taking this Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer, and I always use this like pinkish, tannish tone instead of this one. So, Lancome number 2 brush. I always use this brush for my concealer, so. I've been loving this blush. It's by Maybelline Fit Me blush, and it's in the color 30. So, looks like this. It's a really good blush. Highly recommend it, especially since it's drugstore. I think it was like $7, $8, but I mean, compared to the ones you find in Sephora that are like 20 and up, this is a really good one. So I wanted to make an appreciation for my outfit today. Love my outfit. Let me show you. So this is my outfit. I have this quarter sleeve top. This is from Express. My jeans are from Hollister. This throw-on cardigan is from Aerie, and then I have this scarf from Charlotte Russe, and then I just paired it with my black shoes from Ardenne. But that is my outfit of the day. And then my hair is ponytail and my makeup, so yeah. So I just got home, and I'm probably going to come up with ideas for this possible project I have. I'm gonna end this vlog. It's really early. It's like 7:27 p.m. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, or if not tomorrow, another day. So this is a good angle. Morning, everybody. Today is December 7th, and it's a Friday. I love Fridays. So this morning I got up early because I have a oral exam for my Spanish class next Monday. So I wanted to go to tutoring early because everyone loves this specific tutor, and he always gets booked up really quickly, even in like the mornings. So I'm trying to get there early. That's the plan for this morning. And then around 12:20 I have my sociology class, but it's only going to be like an hour, thank God, because it's just for review for next week's final. I literally put on the Estee Lauder Day Wear moisturizer and blush and concealer, and that's it. So my skin's looking a little glowy go. But yeah, all right, I gotta go. Where we're headed to? Marsha's. Oh, Krista thinks she's gonna be broke by the end of the hour that we love Christmas. I don't feel comfortable filming, but we're going into Marshalls. No one told me beanies are so expensive. Yeah, they actually really are. I'm thinking they're like $10, like $15 each. No! $30. What does this lady have in her hand? Shit, for $30, I'm gonna wear it. Oh, they actually, oh, you do look like an egg. Oh, one for me, one for you. I'm gonna do a booger. Where? Oh, I see it. Apparently, there's a difference between boxers and briefs. I don't get the difference. I think they're the same thing. I thought that briefs were boxers and boxers are briefs. Aren't briefs like shorts that you could just wear outside? Okay, no. What did you get me for Christmas? My love from me to you. Oh, yeah, I know. You look like you just got back from my ride. I know. Her birthday's December 16th. Okay. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Hey! Aha! Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Does anybody like Justin Bieber anymore? If you do like this video, maybe I could get them done tomorrow. Bitch! I'm over it! I'm tired. You want to film my panic attack too? Chris is having a meltdown. Fucking laugh. You went. That is why I stay single, not ready to mingle yet. Fucking lioness. Where'd my phone go? Oh shit! Now I can't answer if I wanted to. This is the person I literally hang out with like every single day. That's me, hoes. Gang, gang, gang. All right. See you whenever I see you. Peace. Thanks.